We're in Ouagadougou, the bustling capital city of Burkina Faso, a country famously known for arts, culture, and African revolutionary thought. But in recent years, it's become one of the deadliest places in the world for terrorism.
Why does the Western media seem so focused on showing only the negative side of Burkina Faso? Just a few days ago, Sky News reports painted the country as nothing more than a place defined by terrorism. But I am here in Burkina Faso determined to show you the real Burkina Faso, the reality of things, the one that often goes unseen. In this video, I'll take you through what life here actually looks like after nearly 4 years under the current leadership. Let's start with something that affects everyday life: roads and transportation.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here?
Not long ago, Burkina Faso was known for having some of the poorest road networks in Africa, but today that is changing. Across the country, new roads are being constructed, connecting cities, improving movements, and opening up economic activity.
I don't ask for much. No, I don't need that much, yeah.
The street lights are made of solar, and this is actually, the road is still being worked on, so you can see like this particular middle pavement is stopped here. It will continue this way, but this is what this side looks like. Very, very beautiful, very nice, very, very nice. At the middle you can see the Burkina Faso flag flying high and mighty, flying high. Guys, what do you guys think about this road? It's really, really nice. The solar lights extend to the left, you know, straight, and to the right. I wanted to show you guys this particular flag here. Viva Burkina, la patrie ou la mort. Viva Burkina. Wow, this flag is so tall. It's so tall. Yeah, so just wanted to walk here to show you guys this. It's so nice. This is Burkina Faso, guys. Look at the road. Look at the road. Eh? This road extends round Ouagadougou. It's so wide. Look at it. So wide. It goes round Ouagadougou.
Not long ago, getting around was a real struggle. If you didn't own a motorbike, you were basically stranded. But today, things are changing. Over 1,000 buses have been introduced to improve mobility and make transportation more accessible for everyone.
And I'm here live at the location. Ibrahim Traore is transforming this nation. Bonjour. Comment ça va?
Oui, ça va.
C'est combien?
500. Oui.
I want cold one. 500. Merci beaucoup. No straw? Straw. Okay, it's inside already. Alright. Merci. Thank you. Wait at this bus station here for line 10. This is line 15. I need to wait for line 10. Sorry. Bonjour. Oh boy. Yeah, so I'll be taking one of the buses here. This bus is here, following line 10. I'm going to Ouagadougou, which is where you have like the Burkina Faso Business Center, and also there's a new complex being built there as well, a new plaza that I'll be checking out as well. So I'll be showing you guys all of that. But for now, I just have to wait for my bus to come. I will tell you guys the price of the bus, how much it costs, and all of that. So ensure that you watch this video to the end. So buses will keep coming like this until you get like the bus you're actually looking for. Each bus has like a number that helps you, you know, identify the routes that you are trying to go. It has a number and the routes that they take. So for me, I'm waiting for a different bus, bus number 10, that will take me to Ouagadougou. I just have to hold on. Alright guys, so my bus has arrived. Now I need to find a way to go in. This is 2B. The one I'm entering is 10. This is the one I'm entering. Sorry. Bonsoir. Ouagadougou. Merci beaucoup. 500? Okay. Merci. Alright, so I got my tickets. Oh boy. Yeah. So I got my ticket for Ouagadougou for 200 CFA. So I spent about like 30 minutes at the station just to get this ticket. More than 30 minutes waiting for this bus. There are no schedules available. You know, there is no scheduling, so you can't even know when the bus is going to come. What you have to do is just wait and hope for the best. You know. So I'll be going to Ouagadougou, the city we're talking about, the new Traoré city is in Ouagadougou, which is Ouaga 2000. And I'll be going there to see what it looks like, the progress of work, how far they have come. You know, right now we still have more people boarding the bus. So I want to try out this orange juice, this original pure orange juice, freshly squeezed. And I want to try it out to see what it tastes like. This one is not as sweet as what I drank the last time. So the bus is moving now. So what I realized is that this particular route that I'm actually taking, a lot of people do not use it, but very few. There's traffic in front.
in my eyes, I slept through the day. Slept through the day, feeling uneasy, I push it away. Push it away. Last night was fun, don't feel like today. Feel like today, let's do it again, let's go on a date. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our nose. Let's forget that we broke. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Might be the gin that's gone to my head. Gone to my head. Feeling so busy, don't want this to end. Want this to end. Live in the moment, I just wanna dance. Just wanna dance. Pull up my card and swipe it again. Cause tonight I'm gonna take you out and live the dream that we've been talking about. So we can dine and spend up all our nose. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise your toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. I wanna celebrate and have some fun tonight. I wanna show you all the lavish things in life. So raise a toast for all the good times that we'll have. It'll be like the movies, be like the movies. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming. Rich people dreaming.
I'm in the backseat. You should probably take the wheel. I'm kinda twisted inside, and I don't know where I'm going. I'm just here for the ride, okay? Fuck, here comes a double vision. Does Megan Fox have a twin or something? Might be the Prozac kicking in, but she tossed her drink in my face and I didn't even flinch.
My mom says love's not easy, just keep your head held high. People will find you pretty, I just wonder where they are. You like my Batman t-shirt, it costs like 50 bucks. Someone must think I'm pretty fly right now. Maybe I'm going crazy, can't catch a break lately. And I just wonder what you gotta do, what you gotta do to get a little baby. You look amazing, I said it, I meant it. And I just wonder what you gotta do, what you gotta do to get a little love. Get a little, get a little. What you gotta do, what you gotta do.
What? Did somebody just say hello? Nah, I'm flying Han style, solo. Do you like that Star Wars reference, baby? There's more where that came from. Catch a movie later? Guess I'll see you around. I got a busy week too, I'm watching X-Files. Could be the Mai Tai doing things, but hey, you know what? I'm calling that a win.
My mom says love's not easy, just keep your head held high. People will find you pretty, I just wonder where they are. I got one extra ticket, do you like Comic-Con?
Right, so it's time for me to go down. Pilot. Okay, alright. So I have to wait. I'll be taking like this direction here. But after the traffic light, I'll be alighting. Wait for Yeah. All right. So I'm going down here. Ooh. So this is the mall. Bonjour. I want to get inside here to the restaurant area. Here we can get something to eat. Ooh. Whoa. So there's Cold Stone here now. Signature tacos. There's tacos. I'm trying to see what I can take. So let me just get coffee and bonsoir. Comment ça va? Do you have coffee? Coffee. Latte. Second, no, yeah. And croissant. Yeah. Finish. This one? No. Let me see. What are the options? Okay, they have ice cream here too. I don't know what I can take here. Okay, how much is this? C'est combien?
Le B, ça c'est 700. Il y a 700, 800.
Okay, so give me
550.
this,
Ça. Blanc.
this.
Et puis ça.
Yeah. No, sorry. This and this.
Ça.
Yeah. So, let me just pay for it. I want to just get coffee here. Then, let me see. The mall has really improved. Like, the kind of new businesses have been introduced here. Take. So I'm giving her 10,000. I hope everything okay. It's just so nice. So I can go on. Can I go and sit down? All right. Woo. This is what the mall looks like. Let me sit here. Yeah. So they are still adding like new shops, new restaurants here, and I don't know if this is a good position for me, but this is what the mall looks like. Let me take off my mask. I'm sure my hair is very, very like dusty now. Guys, so my experience getting to this place is actually I had a good experience, but then there are a lot of improvements that needs to happen in Burkina Faso. As much as I love the transportation system here and how much it has improved in terms of adding new buying buses for the people by Ibrahim Traore, I suggest that there needs to be a website. That website will be used to communicate to people the different bus routes that the bus takes. Then of course the prices, although the buses are quite affordable. In the past, I got a bus from where I was in the city to like this rich neighborhood here for like 200 sefa. In the past, I would have chartered the bike for like 5,000 sefa. So that gives you an idea of the problem Captain Ibrahim Traore has solved. From 5,000 sefa, reducing all the way to 200 sefa just to get to this destination from where I was. So it's huge. It's huge what the captain has done. Like, it's huge, right? So I think that the next improvement is, like I said, a website that talks about all the bus information, where people need to get tickets and whatnot. So yeah, I'm currently in this particular mall. Captain Ibrahim Traore was built under his government. People can come here to chill, relax. I decided to come here and just chill. We'll probably go for a tour and just check out. Let me check out. Hello, I'm coming. Let me just walk around. Alright, so I just want to walk around and see this particular place. So you have like furniture here. This place is still closed. And here is for tacos. Marina supermarkets. The supermarket here, there's a furniture store here. Bonsoir. Comment ça va? So, yeah. Merry Christmas. So now you have more outlets here that people can actually just sit down, chill, and just get something nice. Whew. Oh boy. Guys, what do you think about the video so far? What are your thoughts on what Burkina Faso looks like right now with the new transportation infrastructure? What are your thoughts about it? So I'm waiting for my order. Hello? Hello? Is it ready? Is it ready? Alright, so is this for me? Alright. Merci beaucoup. Is this a latte? Yes. Is there sugar in it? Okay. Interesting. Sucre. Sugar is called sucre here. Sucre. And I just ordered for 2 donuts and 1 latte. Let me put the sugar in. Okay. Thank you, my friend. So my change, I give them 10,000. Oh boy, I don't spend today. On top latte. Hey. This is 200, 300, 400. So this is 900 in total. This is 5,900. So my total cost of this is 5,950. Basically $6 for this. $6. That's what I paid just to get this. You know. So let me give it a try. So the thing I noticed about this place is you hardly find like local cuisine here. Burkina Faso local cuisine. You know, it's something that I think an outlet needs to be here that sells the local food. I don't want Burkina Faso to begin to look like other, European nations. They should just be themselves and do their own thing. This is a very interesting cup. Very interesting cup. It tastes really good. Really, really good. I've got serviette here. Let me taste these donuts. Not bad either. For 5,000. Almost 5,000. This is really good. So if you come to Burkina Faso and you're looking for a place to just hang out and just chill, Ouagadougou is the place you need to get to. Alright? Ouagadougou 2000. Or Ouagadougou 2000. 2000 means 2000. It's the rich neighborhood here, where you can find high-end restaurants, this mall, hangout spots. Alright, so let's go and see if we can find the taxi outside. The man said he's outside. Hopefully I'm able to get him. This is Cold Stone over here. Okay, the taxi is outside. Interesting. Wow. This is the app over here. There's a local app here in Burkina. And this is the taxi. Bonsoir. There's nobody here. Huh? You want inside this?
Yes.
Okay, where is he? Where is he? Let me call him. The taxi is... Where did you go to? My friend, ok. Ça va? Comment ça va?
Ça va. C'est vous que je devais chercher.
Yeah. Anglais. So far. Let's go. Is this one? My friend, this? Can I... Alright, so we are currently on our way to the AC. The AC is working. Okay. Let's put it on. Alright, let's go. So I'll show you guys the road down, and also like yeah, Burkina Faso is fast changing, really changing fast, all thanks to Captain Ibrahim Traore. If you had been here a year, 2 years ago, all of this easy process, all these ways of moving forward wouldn't have been possible. You know, look, this is an EV taxi powered by electric, completely electric. You can see it, completely electric. If you want to find a more convenient way to move around Burkina, Let's Go app, it should be what you should download here in Burkina Faso. You know, Let's Go is what you should download here. If you don't want to use Let's Go, it's quite expensive, by the way. Imagine me paying for just like a 45 minutes ride. I'm paying about 4,000 CFA. The food that I eat, I paid another 4,000 CFA. Meanwhile, the bus that got me here was only 200 CFA. So you have to just pick which one is easy for you. The bus, it's, although the AC is even working in that one, is working, you know. This one, the AC is also working as well. The bus is, it's just that the problem with the bus is that it's very difficult for you to find the place for you to actually go and get the buses to board. It's quite difficult. Yeah. You know, so this is Burkina Faso 2026, and these are, you know, the mode of transportation that the government has made. You know, now one of the things you guys need to understand is the government is actually seeking to make more, connect Burkina Faso through the major cities using rail. All right, so the government is actually working to use rail, not just rail, also to use all these buses will be going interstate. Even right now, if you need to board the bus, hire the bus to take you to the next, to a different state, you can do that. You can charter the bus, take it to the next state. So Captain Ibrahim Traore is actively working to build infrastructure to help people commute from one point to the other. First of all, the biggest project happening right now is the one happening from Ouagadougou to Bobo de la So, and that one also has like a rail that connects these two cities. In the future, I believe there's plans to also do like what they call it, trams within the cities, you know. But he has already done the EV taxi, the bus right here in Burkina. All right, so let's go. This is the biggest mosque